Hey everyone, it's Mark over at Toy Hauler Depot. Today I'm going to be showing you the XLR Boost 37TSX13. So let's get started. First things first, we are going to have the regular Happy Jack system in this coach. You're going to have the queen up here, as well as the two couches that fold into beds down below. Very, very simple. Just pop it out like that. You do it to the other side, you're going to have another bed. This trailer right here is going to have blackout shades for every single window. Okay, it's nice to have. Next to this, you are going to have your half bath coming in from outside. You know your toys are dirty and stuff. If you're dirty, you're able to rinse off just a little bit. Next to that is going to be our hookups for washer and dryer. Coming around, we are prepped for solar, so we're able to put a panel on the roof. Easy, trickle charge your batteries. Next to that, we are going to have our secondary door. So a garage floor plan of 13 feet like this coach right here that give you the ability to have a secondary door just in case you can't walk through the entire coach. One thing I love about this trailer right here is going to be the soundproof door. So if you guys got your kids back here, you guys are in the living area still hanging out, watching TV, not going to be a problem. Right above us, we are going to have our loft. So if you guys do have another kid that you want to sleep inside, not going to be a problem. Directly below that, we are going to have our stereo system. It is linked to our TV. So you guys can plug in a USB, HDMI, anything like that. Directly below us, we are going to have our fireplace. It actually does push out heats. And then directly to the other side of that, we are going to have our dinette. Our dinette does make into a bed. And then coming around this way right here, we are going to have our pantry. Decent sized pantry, and as you guys can see, the bed, the loft, actually wraps around to this side. So you can have extra storage, or you can put another mattress there if you need to sleep another small child. Directly to the side of that, we are looking at our Norcold gas and electric refrigerator and separate freezer. As you guys can see right here, we're going to have plenty of storage above and below. We're going to have our microwave right here, our 3-burner stove, as well as our oven. And then on the opposite side, we're going to have our nice deep style farmhouse sink with the drying rack above it. So when you guys are done doing your dishes, you just put it on top, it'll dry off. Walking around this way right here, I want to show you guys the control panel. This is going to be all your buttons for your slides, your lights, as well as your tank capacity, which is going to be 100 fresh. You're going to have 38 gray and 76 black. Coming up the stairs right here, we're going to be going into our master bedroom. As you can see, we're going to have a nice big king size bed with a small slide out in the master bedroom. Actually, it's going to open up right here. You're going to have a nice little, countertop, as well as hangable storage in here for your clothes. Coming into the master bathroom, we are going to have the nice size vanity right here with medicine cabinet. And then coming in, as you can see right here, this is going to be our nice wrap-around shower. It's even got the dome in here, so if you guys are tall, you're still going to be able to fit. And coming over here, let's see, we're going to have our generator controls right here. So you can actually control it outside if you need to, but it's nice to have it inside. All right, right here we're going to have our propane tank. I didn't show you guys, but there's one on the other side as well too. They do that for weight distribution, okay? Right here is going to be the other side of our cargo. And then, so this trailer right here is going to have 40 gallons of fuel capacity, which that generator does run off of as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Use promo code MC41 for the next time you guys come to Toy Hauler Depot at 99 Central to save on your next purchase. Click down below and subscribe.